Welcome to today's flower decorations. These are two maroon passiflora or junculata. These are pink oleander with some purple heart leaves. These are all canna lily, orange and yellow. That's also passiflora, two of them in violet. That's a single chandni. One is over there. These are off-white oleanders. These are all butterfly pea in blue and violet with some akondo leaves. These are dried leaves. Becomes yellow, so I have added here. These two are rubber vine flowers and oranges are chrysandra. So the overall look is this, and let's move on to my garden. This is a huge red hibiscus in my garden. There is another one from the same plant, and the water lily today. There is orange rukmani or exora, and there are some purslane. And there is champa. And the bougainville. So that's it for today. Ta-da!